Lee Kwang-soo and Lee Soon-bin. You may have seen the Lee Kwang-soo on a Running Man variety show and Lee Soon-bin in a hit drama like Criminal Mind. Throwback to the 2016 when Lee Kwang-soo invited the Lee Soon-bin to the Running Man because the actress once expressed her interest in him on the another variety show. During that episode, they went on the date and played the arcade game together. And in 2018, that both agencies confirmed that they are dating each other for the 5 months. The couple are still together, and just last year, the Lee Kwang-soo did a drinking interview with the Elegant Sports. As per a translation by the Sumpi, the interviewer commented, "It seems you are just expressing the real life romance to the Lee Kwang-soo." And Lee Kwang-soo laughed and replied, "We can't see each other often, but things are going very well. Yes, no matter anything, our busy schedule also, we are doing very well with each other and we love each other very much." The next couple are Taeyong and Min Yoo-rin. The K-dramas commonly feature the storyline where the male lead marries his first love. It may seem unrealistic, but Taeyong is here to give you hope. The Big Bang member married his first girlfriend and first love, Min Yoo-rin, in 2018. It seems like the singer is very romantic as he wrote the popular song for his girlfriend during their temporary breakup. But suddenly, and by the God's grace, they eventually got back together and the rest is history. As a bonus, in 2020, the documentary, the singer said, "Even now she is the only person who continued to change me as a person, and she also helped me in a better ways in my life. That's why I decided to walk along with her for the rest of my life." How cute and a strong relationship they have. The next couple is a Gumi and a Jo Jung-suk. The soloist Gumi and actor Jo Jung-suk's history goes back in 2013 when they met each other through a mutual friend and they got married and welcomed their first child in 2020. The hospital playlist actor wrote a letter to his fan on his fan cafe, revealing why he decided to marry Gumi. He said, he married her because they are both big source of energy to each other and she is someone who will encourage and support me to become a better person in the future. True to this word, the Joo Jung-suk mentioned in an interview that the Gumi has been an avid viewer of all his projects and also reviewed his projects to him. The Jo Jung-suk also shared the way that he changed after, including how he was before the marriage and after the marriage, and then he became more comfortable and a stable person after the marriage, and that's because of a Gumi. The next couple are the So Young and Jung Kyung-ho. The former Girl Generation member Choi Sung-young and the hospital playlist actor Jung Kyung-ho met through a mutual friend and have been dating for 8 years now. In an interview with the Elegant Sports that was translated, the actor said that Soo-young gave me so much strength and all that's left is for me to treat her well in return. It looks like the Jung-hyo is a man of his words. He gave the Soo-young the 1,000 roses on his first 1,000th day of anniversary of their love. And the Soo-young's sister also shared on a variety show that he is really perfect for her because he can only handle her with perfectly and no one can handle her how he handles her with so much love and a care and everything. So they are really perfect couple by everyone and they are really hoping to get married, but because of their both busy schedule they are not having a time to get married, but both always support and share so much love on screen to each other. The next two couple are the G-Dragon and the Jennie. Yes, you have read the name right. On 24 February 2021, the news outlet Dispatch Korea released a report stating that Big Bang's leader G-Dragon and Blackpink's Jennie have been dating for a year now. The Dispatch article mentioned that the Jennie often heads to the Dragon's house in a Hanam-dong after knocking off work, and that a lot of people in YG Entertainment know everything about them. They added that the Jennie's mother also knows the relationship between them and she is very thankful that the G-Dragon takes good care of her. The Alik couple first appeared together on screen back in 2012 and again in 2013. Jennie also featured in his songs as a Black, and according to the Dispatch that they are really happy together now. The next couple are the Lee Sang-woo and the Kim Soo-yoon. Unlike the dark and the twisted Chun Soo-jin in the Penthouse, the actress Kim Soo-yoon is actually a cheerful and a soft-spoken person in a real life. As seen in variety shows like Running Man and the How Do You Play, the Penthouse star met met her husband in the variety show, and then they go on the many dates, and then they got married in 2017. On the program Happy Together, she gave the audience a glimpse of their dating life, in which they went on a 15-hour long date almost every day. When asked if she want anything from her husband by the host, she said that she likes him as it is how he is, and she doesn't want to change him anything. And they are really perfect for each other with their real life chemistry, which we are seeing. After that, we have a couple, Eugene and Kim Tae-young. Compared to her character, the Oh Yoon-hee in the Penthouse, who did not have much luck in her marriage, the former first-generation girl group SE member Eugene is happily married to the Ki Tae-young. The two met on the set of The Creating Destiny and got married in 2011. And after so much year, they still goes on a days together to spend time together because they have two young children. She further added that the stage of her life will be only come after the 40 years, and showing her that she really love her husband, and her husband also show that she love her very much. They take care of the children so that she can goes on a work comfortably and without any worry. So much understanding and so much love between them prove that they are really made for each other. The next couple is one of the most favorite couple of Korea and everyone internationally. And they are our Bin-jin couple, Son Ye-ji and Yoon Bin. And they are the power couple of 2021. According to the Nielsen Korea, the Crash Landing on You drama viewership hit 21.7% in South Korea, and it became very hit drama nationally and internationally. With the high ratings and the drama being a global hot topic, it is an understatement to say that the fans were in love with the chemistry between the two leads and the plotline. When the drama ended, the fans were convinced that the pair were dating in real life too. But after so many times, there was nothing between them, they were saying. But after so much time, on January 1, 2021, the Dispatch revealed that the Son Ye-jin and the Yoon Bin are a real couple in a real life too, and they are really power couple, and everyone loved this news very much. And overwhelmed by this news, everyone wishes them a very happy life together in the future, and they are still giving the many couple goals by going on the dates, by sharing so much affection, by sharing so much gifts. And Son Ye-jin also shared on her Instagram account that she finally found a good person in a Yoon Bin as a lover.